Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to switch account on Mobile Legends. So if you want to know how we did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to launch your Mobile Legends application. After that, just go ahead and click on your profile at the upper right corner of your screen. After that, just go ahead and click on the account section at the up left corner of your screen. Click on Switch Account at the left side of your screen, and then you can see all of these options. So you can use your Moonton account, Game Center, Facebook, TikTok, VK account, and this sign in with Apple if you are using iOS. Okay, so if you want to switch your account using Facebook account, you need to make sure that you are logged in on the browser that you are using on your phone. So if you are using your iPhone, just go ahead and log in the Facebook account on Safari. And if you are using Android, just go ahead and try to log in your Facebook account on Google Chrome or whatever browser that you are using. And then by the way, I'm just gonna dictate to you what you need to do. So now, once you've logged in your account on the browser, just go ahead and go back on the Mobile Legends application. Click on Facebook account. After that, you want to click on continue, continue again. And then after that, that should switch your account on Mobile Legends. But before you can play on the application should need to be restarted. Okay, so it will automatically exit your Mobile Legends application. Then just go ahead and click on it again. And once you've done that, you can see that your account is now switched. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.